Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Virgo. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin our reading. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Virgo, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright, so 5 of Pentacles, Judgment, 6 of Swords, Hierophant, Queen of Pentacles, center of my spread, but in reverse with the Strength card, 8 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles and the 5 of Wands. So it's going to get better, don't worry about it. 7 of Wands, bottom of my deck. So either you've blocked off somebody, Virgo, or maybe somebody has blocked you. There is a sense of keeping yourself protected and maybe seeing things from a higher perspective to gain clarity. So from what I feel here, Virgo, there is a Queen of Pentacles in reverse in the center of my reading. So probably feeling a little abandoned, left out, or at least maybe your partner is, I don't know, but wanting a, resurrection, wanting a restart, wanting a brand new beginning after some conflict has happened, I think, in the two of you. But right now there may not be any communication between the two of you. There's some delay going on there, but I do see a conflict ending, which is a good sign. So let's start. I'm going to clarify all these cards, of course, Virgo. Let's start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we'll go on with the clarification. So Virgo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Okay. Let's take a few from here as well, Virgo. Virgo and their person. And Virgo, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Virgo and their person. Okay. And a couple more from here, Virgo. Virgo and their person. Okay. All right, Virgo, good to go. Your first card here says, during our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. See, that's the sense I was feeling, even though feeling left out, abandoned, feeling in lack of maybe your partner's company, somebody does want a restart here. Somebody does want a re-beginning here. I think my battery is complaining. Just give me a second. Okay. Second card here says, Virgo, I just want to see you and begin our life together, but these financial challenges are currently stopping us from being together. Who would have thought that something as simple as money could keep people who love each other this much apart? Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of the pain, fear, and frustration, and you'll see what I've seen in you all along. I feel your energy and receive your telepathy. I reach out and show you how much I care and offer you support. You read my messages and I feel you even more, but you stay silent. Your telepathy is a contradiction to the silence. I just simply can't understand this. If you love me, let me know and let it show. If you don't love me, please set me free and let me go. I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself, when you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. I know that I need to make amends for my mistakes. I'm contemplating how to do this because I want to show you how much you mean to me. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart. I said there's no communication between the two of you. Not talking to you absolutely breaks my heart and soul into a billion shattered pieces. I want to reach out to you, but I can't find the right words, as I'm feeling so fragile right now. Somebody is feeling a bit powerless here, Virgo. Do you think about me? My feelings for you are now platonic. I don't believe this card though. You are all I desire. Please make time for me. Alright, so Virgo, if these are resonating with your storyline, let's start your reading. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for this read. A blessing, guidance, advice, or message. Practice makes perfect, Virgo. So don't give up right now. Whatever you're doing, please continue doing that, because maybe it's taking a little time, but if you continue on the path that you're on, could be anything. This doesn't have to be related to only this reading or your love life, Virgo. This is a message from the universe for you. So whatever you're doing, continue doing that, and you're going to be perfect soon, it seems. All right, so let's put this here. So who's feeling in the Five of Pentacles energy, Spirit? Who's feeling sad and neglected and left behind, feeling in lack? What's this Five of Pentacles and the Judgment card? Five of Pentacles and the Judgment. Yes, somebody's kind of losing hope. They feel nobody is investing into this connection anymore. What a waste of time and effort. Maybe they're watching, yes, they're watching from the sidelines. They're keeping an eye on their partner who's maybe looking very beautiful nowadays, who's very self-sufficient. They're by themselves and taking care of themselves. And somewhere their partner's feeling a bit of lack because they feel no effort or no work is being put into this connection. There's a bit of overthinking going on here. A little bit of stress, overthinking, feeling abandoned, feeling left out, feeling, all this time, effort, energy has been like a waste. Watching their partner glowed up and looking fabulous. So what's his Judgment card, Spirit? Why is the Judgment card here? Why is the Judgment card here, Spirit? Somebody wants to resurrect this connection. But for that, I think they feel a little conflicted. Either they could have to go through some kind of a legal case or something, or there are other people in the mix. There is a bit of conflict on how to resurrect this connection, how to reach that goal of that happily ever after, to meet, kind of reunite with the person who they feel is their soulmate, their twin flame or whatever. But there is a bit of conflict here. Justice card in reverse with the Five of Wands. So what's this conflict, Spirit? Why is the Six of Swords in reverse? Why is the Six of Swords in reverse? To do so, I think this person has to speak the truth about maybe another commitment, or they have to speak the truth to their existing commitment, and they fear it's going to bring some kind of conflict maybe. What's this Hierophant card, Spirit? What's this Hierophant card? Somebody is afraid. Somebody is afraid. Maybe they are already in an existing connection. Maybe there's a wife and that they have to speak to, or who could be a bit money hungry, or could be whatever, I don't know, angry with them, something that they have to shut down, but there's a bit of fear regarding doing that. Queen of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. Yes, this they fear this could lead to a fight or a big conflict. Or there's already been a fight, I don't know. There's something to do with a commitment, marriage, maybe a wife, some fear regarding speaking their truth, and just keeping themselves stuck because they don't have the strength to do what they know they need to do. They need to do something before they can reach their, have that new life or their happily ever after. Yes, right now this person doesn't have the guts. Things are very, very stagnant in their life. They're feeling very unmotivated, feeling weak. They just want to leave this conflict behind and move to a happier space in their life, or a more peaceful space. Get out of this feeling of lack all the time, feeling abandoned, left out. Just when will I have peace in my life is what this person is saying, but they're actually not taking any action to release what is toxic in their life. There's a bit of fear surrounding them. There's a fear of either creating injustice, or maybe a court case, or other people who will get involved in this conflict, or maybe just afraid of their maybe current partner. Who knows? So they're just keeping quiet. They're not talking about it. There's no communication at the moment. But this person does know where their happiness lies. They also know that they have to stop this juggling act maybe. They have to choose one person, one thing, one direction. So at the moment, I don't think they're really communicating, but they are reflecting big time. This person has gone into a little bit of reflection mode, keeping themselves to themselves, maybe praying to the universe to give them an out here, meanwhile keeping silent. So there's a bit of delay that's going on in this new beginning that they want. 9 of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. 9 of Pentacles in reverse. Oh yeah. What's this Death card, Spirit? This person could be things are going to change. Things are going to change. I think this person knows who they want. They know who their Queen of Cups is, but there could be another person right now in their life. I mean, I have two very important women here, the Empress and the Queen of Cups, who've popped out together with the delay card. So the delay is what to kind of end, or how to end, how to transform their life, how to change their life, how they want, or maybe they're just waiting for divine timing to, do something which will, I doubt it. This is somebody wanting to choose and change from one to another, it seems. One more, Spirit. Somebody wants to return back to the person that they really love. They want to return back to their soulmate. They want victory. They want to go back to feeling happy and victorious once again in their life. So what's this 5 of Wands then, Spirit? 5 of Wands in reverse. Is that the end of a conflict? Yes. Okay, one more. This person has a little bit of fear of breaking hearts. I think this person wants to keep everybody happy, from what I feel. Exactly. They're pulled in two different directions here, Virgo. They're pulled in two different directions. Maybe they have something going on already, and they have somebody that they're looking forward to, where they want to have this 10 of Cups with. Somewhere this person doesn't want to stir up any conflict before they can reach their happily ever after. Having a lot of regret, having a lot of sorrow, this person concentrates more on the things which can go wrong in their life. Now, Virgo, this doesn't have to be you. This can be the person you're concerned with. So this person spends too much time in worrying about what can go wrong, all these 3 cups which are spilled to the ground. If only they would just turn around. The universe has a way of rearranging everything. Everything gets rearranged. But they're blocking their own happiness by this overthinking. One more, Spirit. And the other person, I guess, which could be you, could be losing hope in this connection. Because there's so much silence. You guys are not talking to each other. You're not being open and direct with each other. There's separation now. But it's not that this person is very happy where they are. They are feeling that lack as well. But something just keeps them stuck. Yes, but don't worry about it. Very soon, I feel, either there's new love coming into your life, Virgo, or this person is going to come with some sweet nothings to you. Just be a little mindful, Virgo. They're still coming in as a knight. Okay, we want a king to come home or an emperor to come home. But this card also sometimes means that, the soldier who went to war and is coming back home. So I guess there's a lot of love here. That's really what matters. There's a lot of love between the two of you. Things haven't started to take off right now. Maybe lack of communication is there or whatever. But it's only because this person doesn't want to start this new journey or this stable brand new beginning because they're scared that things may backfire on them. I don't know what this person is dealing with. You can tell me in the comments if you'd wish to. But this person is stuck in their own mess. It's nothing to do with you. But they love you. They do love you. The sweet memories or the sweet feelings that they have is their wish to come back home to you. Whether you won them back or not, that's a total different scenario altogether. But this person is not happy. There's no sense of joy, happiness in their life. They are yearning for a rebirth of this connection. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.